Hi, welcome to students. Well, now in this class, I would like to discuss about two statements, group by statements and having statements. Group by statements are used statements groups. These statements groups rows that have the same values into summary rows, like find the number of customers in each country. This would be the example. This is the example. If in case there is a customers table that may contains rows like customer id, customer name, customer address, and country of that customer. These are the column names. Then if we should find the number of customers from India, then we can use this type of statements like group by statements. The main advantage is group by statements is used with aggregate functions. As we know that there are five different aggregate functions. Those are count function, max function, min function, sum function, average function. These are the aggregate functions actually to group the resultant set by one or more column. This is the syntax of group by group by statements. Select column names, or we can write or we can print total table as per our criteria. Where condition, group by column names. On what column names we should apply, those are the column names we can mention. And ordered by, if they asked print in a sorted order, print in ascending order or descending order, at that situations we can use ordered by statements. This is our table, employee table, which having employee id, employee name, employee address, employee age. This is our table. And if in case we should know the how many members are from Bangalore or how many members are from Guntur, in that situations we can use like this. This is the query. Select count of employee name, comma, employee address from employee, as this is our table name, right? Group by employee address. Based upon employee address we are grouping. In output we will get 1 Guntur, 1 Hyderabad, 2 Bangalore, 1 Chennai. This is the output we will get. This is one situation where we can use group by statements. Or else let's see another. I will say another example, that is, if we want to know how many members are having age of 23, even in that situations we can use based upon our question, we can use these group by statements. And next topic is having class was added to SQL because the where keyword cannot be used with aggregate functions. It's very important note to be remember. Even in interviews also they will ask what is the difference between having class and where class. The main difference is, in having class we can use aggregate functions. See, this is the syntax of having. Select column names from table name, where condition, group by. These are the different types of statements we can use while writing query. Here we can use having, ordered by, group by, where class. These both where and having are used to mention conditions, right? Conditions. Based upon the conditions, rows or filter. But here in having class we can use aggregate functions. As we know, the aggregate functions are 5 types. Those are count, max, min, sum, average. That means, let's assume an example. Let us consider the same table, employee table, whereas let's the question would be the get employee names whose address count is greater than 1, whose address count is greater than 1. That means we should get the output as FGH and ABC. Why? Because Bangalore count is greater than 1. In that type of situations, we should use both where class and group by class. Sorry. In that type of situations, we should use group by and having. That query would be select employee name comma employee address from employee table group by employee address having